Elena, what's up, girl? All right. Yeah. So you was able to see what you was working on, Gidowski?
No, on the like way transfer stop. There are sometimes when we try to turn back from the people, it was not completely working. It's just little things
Also,
to
my
fix
first,
to fix
that,
the
that was
stuff.
just that was just one first dance, you know. I gotta get a little used to it. Yeah. But since I didn't notice what you was doing.
That's a good thing.
No, I mean, yeah, of course. I don't know, so I can maybe I can see if there's something, right?
But it was getting better, right? It was getting better.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I didn't notice, right?
Anything bad since
No, Carolina, I'll pay attention now. So, how you feeling? You good?
You?
Oh,
On the way back.
This? Keep on getting famous, girl.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like, was that the question? Was that the question?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, just keep on going.
Wow.
I'm saying a little bit now. I'm just like now. It's very close. Yeah, that's the reaction. A little faster, yeah. Yeah, there's like a start. I'm gonna stop. Let me just finish the work. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking for my stuff.
Hey.
A lot of things, yeah. Okay. Like one thing that I keep up. everybody. Remember this, when it's straight. Yeah. Just everybody, you let me get on, yeah? Come on. That's so. And, okay, got it. Right here. You go. Five. The movement. Yeah. It's just the body. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Stop. I thought before, it's just a big like go placing each other. I want you to turn exactly. Uh, don't hesitate, right? So right now, there's like a little hesitation that you're holding a little bit the step before you step, right? And that can actually disturb your jinga because I can do the sculpting stuff, but not you. Makes sense, right? You just continue with the jinga. That's just the thing because maybe maybe it's the memorization of the step and stuff like that. So I'm gonna now do more stuff to not to complicate you, but just for you to not get used to the muzzle top. So that you don't get used to the pattern, okay? So I'm gonna like challenge you a little bit on that note, yeah? Yeah. Huh?
Let me get some water.
Oh, you don't have to ask, girl. Come on. Yeah. Go get some water. Y beso, beso. Pam, 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 pam. So beso. Manguito, you got that coffee though?
Yep.
Yeah. I've been,
Est-ce que tu veux de l'eau aussi?
no, that's
No?
Carolina thing, man. I'm
Okay,
good.
no. Carolina
good,
thing. Water is Carolina thing. It's not a.
I'm
no,
good,
okay.
you, man.
That's a good thing. I'm proud of that thing.
I'm good, you, man. Yeah. Yeah. Y beso, beso. Okay. Let me put a little bit. Oh, you played Anna, right? No, or you didn't?
You just did, no?
No, you didn't play Anna?
Anna
Yeah. I still feel like you didn't play those.
Some kind of shit.
No. Yeah, I'm working on that.
I was feeling the touch.
Wow!
I never get to practice.
Oh, you never get to do. You hear that? Me
I don't know what you guys did. I'm working on this thing. Okay, that's the invitation out.